Hello, in this video tutorial we would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on this Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV. So first of all, you want to open up the Google Play Store. Here at the search bar type in Opera, just like so. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the application to get downloaded and installed respectively. After that you can go ahead and launch it. Here we'll be greeted with some kind of a first launch setup. So now you want to tap on the blue continue button. After that, decide whether some of the options and features the Opera browser has to offer will be enabled from the start. Or you can always skip and leave the configuration process for later. Me personally, I'll enable ad blocking, enable tracker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. And the final action that you need to take is to decide what particular accesses and permissions you're going to grant to Opera. So you can customize them by tapping on this button, or you can just tap on allow button and allow everything that it needs. Alrighty, so that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.